This riff is from the song called I'm Right Here Waiting For You by Richard Marx. So to play this intro of the song, so we need a C major chord. So holding C major chord, we gotta pluck 5, 3, 2, then we gotta add this first string note, that is 3, 1, 0, then 3 on the second string. So we have C major, so we go 5, 3, 2, then we gotta add that little finger down to the first string. So we have that 2 times on 3, then we go 1, 0, then 3 on the second string. Then we go G chord, so we don't play a full G chord, we just play 6th string 3rd fret and 2nd string 3rd fret. So we have this 6, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2. So we play that 3rd fret 2 times there. Then we go 0, 1, 0 on the first string, so second chord. Next we have A minor 7, we go 5, 4, 2 twice, then 3, 0. 3 on the second string, then 0 on the first string, so it will be. So from the first now. Then we have so we have that F chord coming in, so we have that 3rd fret on the 4th string, then 2nd string 3rd fret. So we got to pluck after this A minor 7. So observe that we have that going 4th string and 2nd string 3rd fret. Then we have 5th string 3rd fret and 2nd string 1st fret together, like a C major there. So from F to C. Then we have 0 on the 2nd string, then 2, 0 on the 3rd string. So that chord from there. From A minor 7. Next again we go back to C chord. So this time we pluck 5, 2, 1. Then we go 3rd string. So then 4th string 3, 2, 0. So from C chord. Now we again have G. This time we just pluck 6, 3, 2. With the same 3rd fret on the 6th string and 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So next now we go 0, 0 on the 4th string now. So holding this G chord, 6, 3, 2. Then we have 2, 3, 2 on the 4th string. So coming from the C chord. Next we have this A minor coming. So we have 5, 3, 2. Then we pluck C on the 5th string 3rd fret. So then we have 0, 2, 3 on the 4th string. So from A minor there, we just hold this 3rd string 2nd fret and 2nd string 1st fret here for this. So we just play those 4 notes now. Then we have 2nd fret coming back as a crotchet. So next we have 0 on the 4th string, then 3, 2, 3 on the 5th string. So coming from the C chord second time. Next we go have this A sus2. Then closes with A minor. So we have 2nd fret on the 4th string, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So we have 5, 4, 3, then 2 and 1 together, which is open. Then we close with the index finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, again pluck 2 and 1. So my fingers you can still strum those things. Then we end on the 4th string 2nd fret. So second time we just play that 1st fret holding the 2nd string. So that's the second ending. So both together. Yeah, that's a whole riff.